Hi guys, I had to leave early today because my son is pretty sick. I got to take him over to the doctor. So now that you've checked your weather calendar entries, I'm going to go take you through how to use them with a station model. This goes on page 47 of your note packet. So you want to take out your notes, open to page 47 and record all of this right on your note packet. Okay, so this is the station model that you guys have on page 47. These go on a weather map like this. And each of these little circles, these station models, would be the current weather conditions for a specific city. So we're going to dissect this one so you can see kind of how to read it. So any symbol for precipitation always goes in this spot. This symbol is for snow, but it could be rain or sleet or hail, whatever it happens to be. The number just above that is temperature, and that will be in Fahrenheit for the United States. And the number below that is dew point, and that is also in degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, then the third number over on the side is air pressure in millibars. Okay, so in the United States, a lot of times it gets reported as inches, but we typically use it in millibars, or MB as the abbreviation. The symbol just below that is the pressure trend. So this particular symbol is telling me that the pressure is rising. Okay? If it's slanted the other direction, then it's sinking. And if it's flat, it's staying the same. Okay? And that tells us a lot of information about the weather conditions. The next couple of symbols are related to clouds. So the center of the circle is filled in based on how much cloud cover we have outside. So in this case, it would tell me that the sky is 50% clouds and 50% blue. Okay, the other ones here are going to show us the types of clouds, and it's based on their height. So high level clouds go high above the central circle in the middle. Okay, and I want you to write this down. High clouds are anything with the name cirrus or cirro. Okay, so again, high clouds are cirrus or cirro. Okay, just below that is if you have mid-level clouds. Okay, that goes just above the circle. So mid-level clouds are things like cumulus or anything with the word alto in it. Okay, so again, cumulus or alto, would be your mid-level clouds. And then at the bottom, if that day has low-level clouds, you put the symbol underneath the circle. So that would be things like stratus or strato would be in the name. Okay. And then the last piece here is the wind. Okay. And for your wind, the barb, this line that comes right off of the circle, that tells you the direction. So you have to do the thing where you have never eat soggy waffles. Okay. And then you get the wind direction. So since this is in the bottom right-hand corner, that would be the wind is coming from the southeast. And the wind speed, you simply add up the numbers. So a full line is 10 and a half line is 5. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 gives you 25 miles per hour. And this thing will swing around. So if it's, from the north, it would be up here. If it's from the west, it would be over here. Okay, and these numbers of bars will change depending upon the wind conditions. If it's just 10 miles an hour, it's just this one big line. If it's 5 miles per hour, it's like a half line. And we usually round. We don't usually say it's 7 miles per hour. We'll round that down to set 5. Or if it's like 9 miles per hour, you'd round that up to 10. So we do a little bit of rounding with the wind speed. Okay? So now that you've seen me dissect a station model, the next thing that I would like you to do is you're going to take the station model practice sheet that you got from the front lab table, and you're going to give it a try. So there's 3 station models on the front and 3 on the back. Okay, use your weather symbols to help you fill that out. When you're finished, you want to show the teacher. They will give you an answer key once they see that you're done, and you can check your answers and see how you did. When you're all finished, what you can work on next is what's posted for homework, which is the uneven heating of Earth's surface. Okay, we'll check back in tomorrow. If you have questions, please ask for help, okay, or you can send me an email. I'll be happy to answer you guys via email. Hopefully I will be back tomorrow, and we'll be able to kind of touch base with all of this then. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.